AI is advancing faster than anyone predicted. Jobs are shifting, roles are disappearing, and technical skills are becoming automated. Are you starting to panic? I bet that you are. So many people I talk to are right now. If you're not concerned, you are living under a rock, or you've realized that AI is a tool and you need to find ways to use it to your advantage. The most important thing to understand is that your career won't be future-proof because of the tools that you know. It'll be future-proof because of how you perform when the pressure is on. Confidence and success, they don't come from the words that you say. It comes from how you say it and also how you carry yourself. Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm a human performance strategist and the creator of the CLEAR method. In this video, I'm going to show you why your ability to stay calm, think clearly, and lead under pressure is the single most important career advantage in the age of AI, and how to start building it today. Yes, today. So I'm sure as a professional, you've not only been looking at ways to maintain your role, but you're also looking at promotion. And promotions aren't about skills alone. AI is leveling the playing field for technical capabilities, right? So it's important to know how to use AI and many of the tools that are out there by far. That will put you a step ahead. But promotions, they go to the people who can command the room, can handle conflict, and can make strong decisions under that stress and pressure, right? And also, if you're looking to make the leadership leap, right? Moving from more of a contributor role to a leader isn't about working harder. It's about demonstrating your presence under fire in those difficult conversations and meetings. It's about how you handle yourself, right? Your tone, your emotions, the words that you use. It's all about the way you manage it. And if you fold at those really tough moments and you just totally blank out, or they could see that you're stressed and you're just rambling and not handling it well, you will get passed over. But if you stay composed, you will get noticed. And on top of the promotions and maybe some transitions to leadership roles, it's also important to create a future-proof edge, right? AI will only keep evolving and getting stronger, getting better. But the leaders who win are the ones who master two things: the ability to use AI as an effective tool, and most importantly, the skill AI will never be able to touch. It's that human performance under pressure, right? It's the way that you convey the message. So you can only go as far as you can with AI, with the words, the references, the documentation, the facts, but how it gets delivered is what matters. So if you want to protect your career and accelerate promotions in the AI era, start with my CLEAR method blueprint. I will put a link in the description below, so check it out on my website and check out some other tools, tips, tricks, our blog that might give you some additional ways to focus on your message, your clarity, improving your confidence, and using AI to your advantage. Use it as a tool. It's a really good thing, but it is taking away some positions. And why? It's because now we can stream down and look at those that can really deliver. And you want to be one of those people. Because when your technical skills are equal to everyone else's, the real edge is in how you show up in those high pressure moments. So again, link is in the description below. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, share if this can be helpful to anyone, for more strategies on performing under pressure and future-proofing your career. And remember, AI can do the tasks. It can get you the information, but it can't replace leadership under fire. So we'll see you all in the next video.